Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros. First, let's get our dough ready. Combine 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Then, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once, stirring vigorously until a smooth ball of dough forms and pulls away from the pan. This is the foundation for perfect churros. Once your dough has cooled slightly, transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. This creates a smooth, pipeable dough. Next, load your dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. This tip gives churros their classic ridges. Pipe the dough into strips about 4 to 6 inches long. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop your piped churros into the hot oil, frying them in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove them, draining any excess oil on paper towels. The final touch is the delicious coating. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. While your churros are still warm, roll them generously in this sweet mixture, ensuring they are fully coated. Serve these delightful treats immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like chocolate or dulce de leche. Enjoy your perfectly crispy, homemade churros.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.